Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Today in this video we will discuss about the Linksys MR9600 Wi-Fi router setup process. With the help of this guide we will walk through the easy and short steps that help to complete the setup process and provide the seamless connectivity all of your workstation. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. The Linksys MR9600 router box includes the router itself, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and documentation for setup. So let's start the setup process. Firstly, plug the power adapter into the router and then into a wall outlet. Wait for the router's power LED to light up, indicating that it's powered on. Use the provided Ethernet cable to connect the router's WAN, Internet, port to your modem's Ethernet port. Power on the modem and wait for it to fully boot up. Connect your computer to the router using another Ethernet cable. Plug one end into one of the router's LAN ports and the other into your computer. The router will broadcast a default Wi-Fi network. The default network name, SSID, and password are usually printed on the bottom of the router. Connect your computer or smartphone to this Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser on the connected device and go to http://192.168.1.1 or http://myrouter.local. You will be prompted to log in. The default username and password are usually both admin, but check the documentation if it's different. The setup wizard will guide you through configuring your internet connection. You may need to enter your ISP's login information if required, for DSL connections, etc. Set up your Wi-Fi network by choosing a new SSID and password. Save your settings. Once the initial setup is complete, check for any firmware updates. You can do this in the router's admin interface under the Firmware Update section. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. Once everything is configured, reboot your router. Now your setup process is successfully complete. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.